Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque 2.0 TD4 SE Tech Auto 4WD, finished in sleek Santorini black with a matching black leather interior. At the front, the Evoque impresses with its bold stance, clean grille, design, and sharp LED lighting. The black exterior pack enhances its aggressive look, giving it a more refined and stealthy road presence. From the side, it rides on smart 18-inch alloy wheels, with strong body lines and a confident, elevated profile. Electric folding mirrors and a compact silhouette make it easy to live with wherever you drive. At the rear, you'll find wraparound tail lights and a sculpted finish that keeps the design clean and modern, powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine. With 4AUD and automatic transmission, the Evoque delivers smooth, confident performance with excellent grip in all weather. Cruise control and stop-start functionality add to the efficiency on longer journeys. Inside, the cabin is refined and well-equipped. You get 8-way electric front seats, heated leather seating, and a heated windscreen, perfect for winter mornings and year-round comfort. In terms of technology, it features Bluetooth, DAB radio, built-in navigation, and a clean infotainment system that keeps everything at your fingertips. In the back, there's solid space for passengers, finished in the same high-quality leather and trim, built to carry both people and lifestyle in comfort. In the boot, you'll find a practical load space ideal for day-to-day errands, weekends away, or your next adventure. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration FY660XC to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.